Howdy folks, and welcome back to Ugly Dog Lures. Yeehaw. Here we go. We're going to do something crazy, off the wall, different. Came to me in my sleep last night. Now I got to get it out of my system. So, if you're new to my channel, my name's Charlie. Me and my beautiful wife Melissa, we get out here and do this. Paint and have a good time and laugh and cut up and you know all that fun stuff. So let me tell you about our latest fight. It was bad. She said, "Ugly, won't you take me to one of those fancy restaurants where they cook the food right there in front of you?" I said, "All right, I can do that, honey." So I took her to Subway, and that's where the fight started, folks. So.
You're so full of crap. God, that sounds good now. I haven't had Subway in forever.
So I'm just playing, folks. We're just having a good time.
He was trying to bait me, guys. He was trying to fight with me.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a three-colored bait. We're going to do a Wicked, and this is called Fastback Green, is what this Wicked color is. We're going to do a black, and it's an apple barrel paint, and
that looks blue.
I know, but it's called Fastback Green.
So it's not mixed right, or what?
No, it don't look blue when it dries. It's kind of a blue green. It's very pretty.
It looks like it's all settled at the bottom.
So I'm gonna. Oh, the lid came open. I think you did that shit on purpose, didn't you, Melissa Ann?
I didn't, but that was funny.
That wasn't funny at all. The redneck got paint on him, man. I'm gonna have to quit. So I'm gonna do this.
See, you're blue and Smurfy. Hi.
You can smurf this.
See,
you know how
violent. It's so violent.
You know how I feel about the Smurfs anyway. Yeah. So let's just jump in here feet first. We'll quit fighting and arguing here in a minute, folks.
No, we won't.
Probably not. So you're supposed to be able to spray this right out of the bottle. Ain't gonna happen. It's fairly thin, but it ain't gonna spray. So I'm gonna thin it just a few drops. There's about 2 drops in there. Thank you, Bob. If you're new to my channel, folks, Bob's my fish. Me and old Bob been together a long time.
And Finn is your nutcracker.
Be cracking no nuts around here, woman.
I'm not the one that bought him. Your daughter did that.
So what we're going to do is the finger test. See that? That'll more than likely run through the gun. So, the third color that we're going to use on this bait is metallic white. And we're going to do a splatter on this bait with this metallic white. It's going to be something different. It just came drifting into my head last night. But we had family come in this morning. We went out to breakfast and we did all these other things. And I got to get it out of my head, folks. So let's just go to it. We're going to leave the belly on this bait white. Adjust some air pressure there. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to thin that even more. It's not gonna blow through that brush. I don't have a whole lot of those colors like that. For one, they're about $9 a bottle. Secondly, I get along just fine with my apple barrel paints, my deco art paints. So let me just thin that just a little more. Just a hair. To get it to blow out of there, I hope. We're going to paint this bait. I got to get a little rid of a little air pressure there, folks. That don't mean I got gas. So we're going to start on this bait. We'll leave the belly on this one white. That's really a pretty nice looking green. Blue. There's our blue one. Pretty nice looking blue. That's expensive paint, folks. I'm pouring it back in the bucket. And we're going to clean our brush, and then we'll heat set this good. Then we'll move on to the next color, which is going to be our black. Okie dokie. Let's get our black mixed. Very nice. So now, I made this little old thing right here. And we're going to lay this thing on our lure. Just like so. Okay, now we're going to put our thumb right there. Just to kind of keep that from drifting. And we're pulled tight. We're just going to run it up and down that bait. Just like that. And we'll pull our tape off. It won't take a whole lot to get her apart here. And right there's what we come up with.
That's pretty.
That's pretty freaking awesome. So, something different. I promise you. So let's let this dry really good, and we'll put our tape and our stencil on this other side, and we'll be right back to do the other side. Okay folks, we're back. We got it all put on the other side. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put some paint on it. Paint that thumb while I'm at it, I don't really care. It's gonna be a very interesting debate. Get us a little bit out here on this plate. Don't need a whole lot, just a few drops there. I got an itch, folks, I'm sorry.
It's all that blue paint that's all over you.
Hey, you better learn to be nice. I'm gonna tell Ben Barnes and he gonna kick your butt.
Yeah, Ben's the one that's gonna give me a yardstick, so
Oh, okay.
keep it up. You know he hid my yardstick, Ben. I need you to send me one.
I sure did, and I'll hide the next one too, Ben.
Okay, then don't waste your money to send me one.
I'm not the one that needs the yardstick used on.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
I wouldn't do that.
So folks, if you have want to send me in a challenge, just go to the UglyDogLures.com website and submit it there. And let's get it on. Let's see what I can come up with. This is actually one that I just come up with in my head last night. While I was laying in bed doing nothing else. Just chilling. And I just wanted to try it and see what I'd figure out. And I just want to put some white dots up his back. Just something a little bit different. Got a few coming kind of down the side. We'll just white dot him around his eyes. How about that? Nothing wrong with doing that, is there? Flip him around here. Get this other side, get some white dots on it. You know what? I'm just going to hit some right down that black too. Not very much, just a few. There he is. Boom, there it is. Alrighty folks, we're back. Got this lure all dried up and we're going to put some eyes on this crazy bait. We're going to go with this silver eye on there. That looks good. Well, to glitter or not to glitter, that is the question. And I am going to let my wife make that decision.
Why do you gotta be mean to me?
Well, you know, because that's who I am. You know, turnabout's fair play in my world.
I say some peacock there.
Some peacock. Not very much though. Peacock. So I guess we're going to peacock it. We're not going to put much in it. So this big old bait, we're going to go with 2 and 2. Now we're going to put 2 of the hardener in there. Yep. 2 of the hardener. Let's just squirt it all out in here. Uh-oh. They're coming to get you, Melissa.
That doesn't even sound like a cop car. That sounds like somebody's horn that they put a siren on.
Oh, okay. Would the cops bring you back pretty quick, or?
Probably.
Here we go, folks. This is an interesting bait. Kind of came to me in my sleep last night, so I had to make it a reality.
Should have normal dreams like normal people.
No. I don't want to have normal dreams. I dream about stuff that matters to me. You know, like you and fishing and hunting, square dancing, you know, all that good stuff.
They're very strange.
Yep. You married me.
Good.
That's an interesting bait, folks. I kind of like it. I'd fish it. It's cold out there.
Just a lie.
Yeah. I fick it.
Okay.
Like always, I fick it. Well, I think that dude looks good. You can troll with that sucker, boy. What you think there, folks? I don't know if it'll focus in on it, but I think it looks awesome.
You're better off to focus it down there on the table where you had it.
Zoop.
That's where it focuses right there.
That's it, folks. That was a fun paint. I had to get it out of my head. I was off to the next one that I dream about. There you go. You folks remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Hit that notification bell, that thumbs up, and interact with us. Let us know what you want to see. We'll be glad to about attempt to do anything. Y'all just have a very blessed week, and we'll catch you later.